welcome. This is another trading quick shot just before the market open, and just thought I'd have a quick look at this here because basically this is the market open, or just before the market open, looking at Friday, the 8th of December, 2023. And a lot of people may actually be looking at this and going, oh, hang on, why have we got some trades happening here on the right-hand side? This is looking at National Australia Bank. And basically, this happens quite a lot in terms of some of the options trading days where there's actually been some settlements in relation to some of these trading days. And this can happen in terms of some of the Thursdays that occur and some of the calendar trading days here in the Australian market. So whenever you see some of these trades that occur, usually in the wee hours of the mornings as well, around about 7 in the morning, and they usually do occur following the settlement on the trading days on the Thursdays, and they actually appear on the Friday mornings. You'll see them in the wee hours of the Friday mornings. This is what happens. And they're having blocks of 100 shares per options contract. Now, in relation to these particular strike prices, you'll have a look at here as well there too. And I picked National Australia Bank here for certain reasons, and we'll go into these quickly before the market opens as well. But essentially, you can really see that there's strike prices, there's some even strike prices, and there's also one here that's an odd one. Now, the even strike prices are American style options, and essentially with those ones, they can be very much traded throughout the entire time, and they can be adjusted throughout overall throughout the entire cycle. The European style option, which is the one which is ending in one, these ones here can generally be purchased, and then that's basically about it. You're literally stuck with that throughout the entire time. But there's some intricacies and differences that actually occur with those style of options. So just something else to be aware of in relation to those kind of things there. The European style options can't actually be exercised until they actually expire. The American style options can be exercised at any time. Now, in relation to these particular options here, looking at these ones, the ones that are below what it closed at yesterday, in terms of 29.19 is what it closed yesterday in terms of Thursday's price. The ones that actually close below are the call options. So these particular options here, people have actually been able to pick up at a cheaper price. So these ones here, $28, for instance, those call options, people basically had actually purchased those call options a while ago and were able to actually now exercise those options and basically say, yep, I'm going to pick those up now at $28 and now own those, having purchased those now at $28, and essentially now have them. They're worth now $29 on the market right now as of close of yesterday. These ones here at $29.50 were put options. So essentially people have actually sold them at $29.50. They've been exercised in terms of that particular option there. So the $29.50, the person who actually had sold that option has essentially sold an insurance option, essentially, and the person who's actually exercised it has now basically sold their shares at $29.50. So essentially now they've actually sold 800 shares at $29.50, and the person who actually wrote that option has been obliged to basically sell their shares at $29.50 to the person who actually had purchased that put option at $29.50. So to the effect of 800. So I hope that's answered a few questions. Very, very brief, I must admit, especially before market open. I didn't want these all disappear before the market open. You can see on the left-hand side, in terms of the watch list, that some shares have actually just already started opening. So that's basically about it there. But I thought I'd just put it in as a quick trading, quick shot, just in terms of, there might be some members of the community having a look at this and going, why have certain things traded all of a sudden before the 10 a.m. open? What's going on? I'm a bit confused. This is what can happen on those certain times in terms of certain Fridays, and this can actually explain why this actually does occur. And as you can see also in terms of, as a follow-up to previous videos as well, in terms of the market open aspect, we've got people jostling around left, right, and center at this point in time, trying to match a price in relation to opening at this point in time. trying to get that match price happening right now in relation to actually the opening market open at this point in time as well. But hope that answers any questions. Of course, if you do have any further questions, please feel free to put them down below in the comments section or come across the ASX Traders United Facebook page and we can have further discussions over there as well too at any time. I'll leave it there for now. Have a fantastic trading day, rest of the trading week as well, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Bye for now. And there you go. I hope you found that trading quick shot of some great value. Feel free to pop on over to the ASX Traders United Facebook page for further discussions in relation to this kind of content, as well as just general chats with the rest of our community as well. We'd love to see you over there. We also have a live competition that runs, and you can join in at any time there as well too. Feel free to also check out the other videos, links here as well too, and also links down below in terms of being able to join with us over at the ASX Traders United Facebook page. Look forward to seeing you then. All the best for the rest of your trading time, and we'll catch up with you soon. Bye for now.